Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Farmhouse Cookbook is probably one of the most sought-after cookbooks for home cooks who appreciate simple, delicious recipes and the comforting feeling of a home-cooked meal. It's filled with heartwarming recipes that highlight fresh, seasonal ingredients and traditional cooking methods, perfect for creating memorable meals for family and friends. This video will help you decide if a farmhouse cookbook is right for you. Number 5. TOH Farmhouse Favorites. Welcome to a collection that captures the charm and comfort of country kitchens. It's a celebration of simple goodness and heartwarming meals. This collection brings the warmth of home to your dining experience. Each piece is designed to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. It seamlessly blends classic farmhouse aesthetics with the practicality of modern design. Enjoy both beauty and functionality. Made with care and attention to detail, it's built to last and become a cherished part of your family's gatherings. Create lasting memories around your table. It's more than just dinnerware, it's an invitation to savor life's simple pleasures. Bring the taste of home to every meal. It's the perfect centerpiece for your kitchen and dining area, creating a space where family and friends connect. Gather round and enjoy. What we like. It brings the warmth of a country kitchen to your table with its classic recipes. If you love traditional home cooking and want to create a cozy atmosphere, this is perfect for you. It's ideal for those who appreciate timeless recipes and a comforting culinary experience. What people say. Everything I make is simple and delicious and a hit with the family. Very attractive design, easy to read follow, filled with traditional recipes you always tried to make but could never quite master. This book is larger and of much better quality than I anticipated. Beautiful coffee table book. Number 4. Farmhouse Weekends Menus. Get ready to savor the taste of the countryside. This cookbook is your guide to creating delicious and relaxing meals all year round. It features a collection of recipes that celebrate fresh, seasonal ingredients. Each dish is designed for easy preparation and maximum enjoyment. Start your day with delightful breakfasts. From fluffy pancakes to hearty egg dishes, it has something for everyone. Enjoy simple yet satisfying lunches. It offers a variety of light and refreshing options perfect for a relaxing afternoon. Indulge in comforting dinners. It provides recipes for hearty and flavorful meals that will please the whole family. Satisfy your sweet tooth with delightful baked goods. It includes recipes for cakes, pies, and cookies that are sure to impress. It's all about creating delicious meals without the fuss. These recipes are easy to follow, even for beginner cooks. Escape the everyday and create lasting memories with loved ones. Let it be your companion for creating unforgettable meals. What we like. This cookbook offers stress-free menus for any time of year. If you're looking for simple yet delicious meals to enjoy on relaxing weekends, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who want to minimize cooking time without sacrificing flavor. What people say. The author of this book has done a great job of making it easy to build a special weekend of staying at home. It is comprised of easy recipes that are homey, special treats, like fried chicken tenders with a Meyer lemon tart. It has recipes that really appeal to me, and absolutely beautiful photography. There are photos of every single recipe, and it's truly beautiful. This is a lovely cookbook. I appreciate the full-page photo that accompanies each recipe, and the recipes are all from scratch and don't call for expensive or hard-to-find ingredients. Number 3. Red Truck Bakery Cookbook. This cookbook brings you the best recipes from America's favorite rural bakery. Get ready to bake and cook delicious sweet and savory comfort food. It's filled with delightful sweet recipes. You'll find everything from cakes to cookies, pies, and more. But it's not just about sweets. It also features amazing savory dishes. Prepare to impress your family and friends with these comforting meals. These recipes capture the essence of simple, wholesome ingredients. They're perfect for creating memorable meals at home. Even if you're a beginner baker, you'll find these recipes easy to follow. It's time to create delicious food you'll love. The Red Truck Bakery shares its secrets for creating heartwarming comfort food. Enjoy the journey of baking and cooking with this wonderful cookbook. What we like. It features sweet and savory comfort food from a beloved rural bakery. If you crave delicious baked goods and hearty meals, this cookbook is a must-have. It's perfect for those with a sweet tooth and a love for rustic, comforting dishes. What people say. The recipes are well written, the photos outstanding, and the author's storytelling keeps the reader engaged. Beautiful pictures, easy to follow recipes, and I have made a variety and all are delicious. The pictures are well done and the recipes are clear and concise and very well laid out. Lots of standard recipes and then southern things I've never tried like Virginia peanut pie or Bill Smith's Atlantic beach pie. This a delightful book full of yummy recipes. Mostly baked goods including desserts, but there are some soups and stews and a variety of other recipes as well. Number 2. TOH Farmhouse Family Dinners. Create warm and inviting meals your family will cherish. It's the perfect way to make lasting memories around the dinner table. These recipes are easy to follow, even for beginner cooks. Enjoy the delicious flavors of home-style cooking without the fuss. Experience classic comfort food with a modern twist. Each dish is made with wholesome ingredients and family-friendly recipes. Transform your Sunday night dinners into a relaxing and enjoyable experience. Spend less time cooking and more time with loved ones. These recipes are more than just meals, they're opportunities to connect with family and create lasting memories. Make every Sunday a special occasion. You can trust in the quality and deliciousness of these recipes. They're created by Taste of Home, a brand you can rely on. What we like. This cookbook helps create lasting memories with its focus on family-friendly Sunday dinners. If you're looking to create special traditions and enjoy delicious meals with loved ones, this is for you. It's perfect for families who value quality time together around the table. What people say. Photos, clear, doable recipes. Great addition to my books. The quality of the book is great and the recipes are delicious. Lots of great meals. Number 1. Farmhouse Cooking. Get ready to experience the joy of cooking with fresh, simple ingredients. It's all about creating comforting and delicious dishes that will warm your heart and satisfy your taste buds. We use only the finest ingredients, sourced locally whenever possible. This ensures that every dish is bursting with flavor and goodness. Our recipes are easy to follow, even for beginner cooks. They're designed to help you create restaurant-quality meals without the fuss. From hearty soups to savory pies, it offers a collection of timeless recipes that will become family favorites. These dishes are perfect for sharing with loved ones. It's a journey into the heart of home cooking. It's about creating memories and sharing delicious food with people you care about. It's time to rediscover the joy of cooking with fresh, simple ingredients. Let's create some delicious memories together. What we like. It emphasizes fresh, simple, and delicious dishes. If you prioritize fresh ingredients and easy-to-follow recipes, this cookbook is a great choice. It's perfect for those who enjoy cooking with fresh, seasonal produce and creating healthy, flavorful meals. What people say. Perfect recipes. Simple to follow and have all ingredients in the house. Very nice cookbook. Recipes I have tried so far have been great. Great recipe ideas. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.